more not knowing what to draw, you'll be able to know exactly what to draw to improve your skill. So within this video, I'm going to share what each exercise is, how it can improve your drawing skill, and how long to do each exercise. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So set a time limit and focus on capturing the essence of a subject with swift, energetic lines. Place a time limit of 1 minute, 30 seconds to even 10 seconds to boost your drawings within. This exercise is all about spontaneity and movement and also gesture. Don't worry about getting caught up in those details. Instead, concentrate on capturing the overall gesture, expression and mood of your subject. It's a fantastic exercise for improving observational skills, loosening up your drawing style and injecting life and energy into your artwork. Everything has a gesture. This exercise helps you see and draw those gestures, making your art feel more alive. How long to do this exercise? I recommend you do this exercise for 5 to 10 minutes. Observational drawing sharpens your ability to closely observe and accurately represent the world around you. You can draw anything you want, from your hand, phone to a houseplant. Practice recording and drawing what you see, not what you think you see. Sketch the basic shapes and concentrate on trying to get the proportions correct. Add those details gradually and try to capture the characteristics, light and shadow, and the essence of the object. And it's okay to make mistakes too. Embrace them as opportunities for growth. So instead of drawing and relying on lines, focus solely on shading to create depth, form, and dimension in your drawings. Tonal drawing challenges you to see and understand light and shadow, allowing you to convey volume and texture more effectively. As you're not using lines and drawing with lines, you'll see how you can capture a drawing using tones, concentrating on your shape design within your drawing. Experiment with different shading techniques and enjoy the process of exploring subtleties of tone in your artwork. Practicing this technique along with me today, drop a comment below right now and let me know how you got on. I recommend for this exercise you use a soft pencil, so anything like a 4B, a 6B, a 2B is great for this exercise. I recommend you do this exercise for 10 minutes. Practicing lines, 5 minutes. Focus on drawing lines using your whole arm, not just your wrist. Practice drawing diagonally, horizontally to vertically. Experiment with different lengths of line, its direction, to how you hold your pencil whilst drawing. Try holding your pencil using an overhand grip and underhand grip to how you would write. What's the difference in lines you can create with these different pencil holds? Practice tapered lines too, going from hard to light and light to hard strokes. Rotate your paper to make your drawing more comfortable. Negative space, 10 minutes. So instead of drawing an object, you're going to draw the space around the object. A great negative space object is a chair, as they often display plenty of negative space opportunities. Begin by looking at the object and noticing any negative space holes. I can notice one here, and also one here. And I'll draw the outline or shade each of these spaces. Repeat this throughout the whole chair and you'll be surprised by how accurate your drawing will be. Don't draw anything within the subject itself, only the space around it. Like this video and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos in the future. This exercise improves your accuracy and shifts your focus from the object itself to the spaces it occupies, enhancing your overall drawing perception. You'll begin to focus on the negative space and not the object, almost tricking your brain. Simple values, 10 minutes. I want you to draw a box like this. Don't worry if your box isn't in perspective or yours just looks a bit wrong. The focus here is on the values. Take that box and add different values to each side using a total of only 3 to 4 shades. Can you see you can make the box three-dimensional by just using these values? Try this out with only 2 shades as well. This helps you see that values are crucial within drawing. Without shades and tones, a box and also a drawing can look flat. Want to go even deeper? Join the Portrait Guru membership for exclusive shorts, behind the scenes content and exclusive chat rooms to help improve your art with fellow gurus. It's a way to support the channel and your own artistic journey. Check out the link in the description about different membership options. Try drawing boxes in other directions and using different perspectives, and shade each plane or side using a limited tonal value. You can also advance these boxes and study simple objects around your home. How can you split a book, a glass, or an apple into 3 or 4 values? Have fun. 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, it's time to have some fun and leave your session on a high. Take everything you've learnt and apply it to a light-hearted, enjoyable drawing. The goal here is to relax, be creative, and let your newfound skills shine through. Don't worry too much about what you draw and simply have fun. This will make you realize how far you've progressed, have some enjoyment, but most importantly, by having fun at the end of a session, encourages yourself to commit to these exercises tomorrow. Draw anything you want, doodle, practice some more if you love it, or draw from your imagination. If you feel like you're making good progress after committed sessions, then keep pushing your skills by stepping outside your comfort zone. For example, draw more complex household objects, drawing boxes with better perspective, or improving your hatching. Just keep pushing the envelope. I hope you liked these exercises to improve your drawing skills. Give this video a like, subscribe to the Portrait Guru for even more videos, and I highly recommend you check out these drawing exercises to further improve your drawing skill.